Did you have a nice walk in the rain?
Yes. Are you videotaping me?
Yes. Is there anything you'd like to say to the people?
Always have fun in the rain with shoes on. And never walk into a big puddle.
Why? What might happen? There's no shoes. Oh, what might happen to your knee? Okay, let's go.
Never step in a big puddle. Not even in the road.
What might it be if it's a big puddle?
Something on the side lands of these.
Oh, slippery water?